Hello, I'm Irish, your pretty sales agent. And I'm here at Binrosi Plaza. This beautiful condo is located along Doña Soledad Extension Avenue, Better Living, Parañaque. Very near Ninoy Aquino International Airport, SM Bicutan, and schools and hospitals. Here, safe na safe kayo. As you can see, papasok pa lang tayo. May cheerful guard to greet you. Dito naman, you will be welcomed by our newly renovated and well-designed lobby entrance. Ganda, no? Though our condo, we have 4-story high, we have installed scenic elevator for your convenience. Bongga, di ba? But if you like to exercise, we made it a point na well-lighted and ventilated as stairways. Here, we have 72 units, low density. Meaning to say, hindi kayo siksikan and safe ka pa because we have fire protection system like fire extinguisher and fire hydrant. Halika, tuloy tayo. See, maliwalas at malinis. The flooring is tiled. We have cute kitchen and the toilet and bath is clean. For your wellness, we have a gym for you. Magiging healthy ka na, magiging sexy ka pa. Tara, punta tayo rooftop. Here at the rooftop, you can feel the breeze. See a nice view with our landscape garden and you can even host a party. Pwede kayo mag-internet because we have free Wi-Fi here. For your children, we have small playground where they can have fun. For drying your laundry, we have laundry area. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tawag na, bili na, sa murang halaga. Feeling rich ka. Dito sa Binrosi Plaza. See you soon!